Now, what is going to be the strategy that the BJP is going to have in reviewing how they fell short of getting the 62 mark, not just ensuring that they got the 62 seats that they had won in 2019, but in fact going back and reducing their seat share to about 30 seats?
Yeah, if we talk about BJP being reduced to 34 seats in Uttar Pradesh is a very big surprise for the BJP leadership. And if we talk about Yogi Adityanath, especially the UP model was being promoted by the entire BJP leadership, that how in UP the Gunda Raj, which they used to allege during the rule of Mayawati or Samajwadi Party chief, and how they used to target their governments with the allegations of several of the corruptions and scams during the previous tenures of the Samajwadi Party and BSP government in the state. So this was the model of the BJP that was being promoted by the senior leadership of BJP with Yogi Adityanath government style of working, where he used to deal with every issues firmly and he used to take a firm stand on the issues of law and order. He used to take a firm stand on several of the issues concerning the state. So these were the things that the BJP will need to deal with, and especially it will also look at what were the reasons that BJP lost its ground drastically in a political sensible state where it was in a very commanding position just 6 months back. So BJP will be looking after the reasons that led to such a disaster in the state, despite the fact that several of the senior leaders scammed there, several of the senior leaders of the BJP, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, including Union Minister Amit Shah, even Rajnath Singh. They camped in the state for several days. They addressed several of the public meetings.
Right, Anand, we're getting to know that at the AICC headquarters, in fact, what we're getting to know is that in Lucknow, there are going to be large number of women who are going to be gathering at the Congress headquarters in Lucknow, and there are guarantee cards that the Congress is distributing to these women, is what we're getting to know, and this is the promise that had been made by the Congress in its manifesto.
Yeah, Congress has mentioned about Nari Nyaya, and it has promised that after it comes to power at the center, it will provide 1 lakh rupee to every one of the eldest female member of the family. So if we talk about monthly installment, that is around 8500 rupee, that the Rahul Gandhi and even Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and even Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had mentioned in their earlier campaigns during the Lok Sabha elections. And Rahul Gandhi has even mimicked, saying that how once its government comes to power at the center, then 8500 per month will be transferred into the bank accounts of the women every month. And he used to use the word khatakat for the transfer of the amounts taking place in several of the women members of the family. So this is how the Congress has taken, and it has also sent its manifesto.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.